Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool PAN-SNACK Part #WPW10542037. Whirlpool PAN-SNACK Part #WPW10542037 is a replacement part for Whirlpool refrigerators. It is a pan that fits in the bottom of the refrigerator and is used to catch any water or condensation that may accumulate in the refrigerator. The pan helps to keep the refrigerator clean and free from any potential water damage. The pan also helps to keep food items from getting wet or soggy due to excess moisture. This part is made of durable plastic and can be easily removed for cleaning or replacement. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement crisper pan for Whirlpool refrigerators. It does not fix any symptoms, but it can be used to replace a broken or damaged crisper pan. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the existing pan-snack from the refrigerator by pulling it straight out. 3. Place the new pan-snack into the refrigerator, making sure that it is securely in place. 4. Plug the refrigerator back into the wall outlet and turn it on. 5. Adjust the temperature setting as needed to ensure proper cooling of food items stored in the pan-snack drawer. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.